This is the camera I use on my helmet. It's a GoPro Hero 5. Mounts on there with the ProShot camera mount. Uses heavy duty Velcro to hold it on. Stays on there pretty good. GoPro is actually pretty bulky if you want audio. You got to use this adapter right here. Makes it pretty bulky, but it's not that heavy really. You don't really notice any of this here. With the ProShot mount, the camera's actually not in my line of sight really. So that's the best mount I've found of all I've tried. I like it. It's called proshotcam.com. Works pretty good. And then the microphone I have inside is a Sony microphone that just clips on in there. It's alright. I had the fur on it to block the wind, and I didn't really feel like I needed it. Didn't get a lot of wind inside of this helmet. So anyways, that's the GoPro. It's got an aluminum case. It makes it a little tougher, and then I could mount this aluminum hood with this lens protector, and also I can use like ND filters and different filters and stuff now with the GoPro. But I carry a few of these UV filters. Just when they get dirty or scratched, I just unscrew it, put a new one on there. Pretty cheap, and you can do that if you have this adapter. There it is, 52 millimeter. It takes 52 millimeter filters with this. Anyways, it's pretty light. You don't really notice it's there, and it's out of your vision for the most part compared to some of the other mounts I've seen, other than having it on top of my head, what I don't really like. That's what I use.